Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. Today we are going to make something that everyone may love it. It's how to make the Cadbury milkshake. Before we start, let us introduce ourselves first. My name is Farah bint Rahman. My ID metric is 10dpm20f2023.
My name is Unanttended binti Noizmi and my number metric is 10dpm20f2021. I am from TPM to B. So let's continue the ingredients with Farah Wahida.
Before we proceed, let me to list all of the items that we will need. First, we will need 4 or 6 ice cubes. If you want more ice, feel free to add it. Next, we will need 2 scoops of ice cream in whatever flavor that you choose. For this milkshake, I like to use chocolate. And then there's a cold milk. I want to use a full cream for this, but if you want to use low fat, that's okay. Additionally, we need 1 tablespoon of sugar. If you want to use a caster sugar, also can. And the important part are 4 pieces of Cadbury. If you prefer another brand, that's okay. I like Cadbury since the flavor are not like to those of other brands. Hershey chocolate syrup is optional. If you don't want to use it, that's okay. I use it for our video. And lastly is whipped cream. Is added for decoration. The equipment that we might use are as follow. Firstly, we need a glass, blender, spoon, straw, knife, and lastly is cutting board. So let us continue our session about how to make a Cadbury milkshake by Nur Natasha.
Thank you Farah Wahida for your explanation. So let's continue to our process on how to make a delicious Cadbury milkshake at home. So let's get started.
Always use an apron and protective clothing while working in the kitchen.
Farah, I already wear it. Don't worry, okay? See, are you ready? Don't worry, okay? So let's continue our activity. First of all, add 2 scoops of ice.
Tasha, do not forget to wash your hand afterward.
Oops, I almost forgot to wash my hand. Thank you, reminding Farah. Okay, first of all, if you want to make Cadbury milkshake, you have to add 2 scoops of ice cream of any flavor. The one that I use is chocolate ice cream. And then you have to put ice cube 4 or more to a blender. If you want to make it rough, put more. And then you have to add 1 cup of milk, any type of milk. The one I use is fresh milk because I love fresh milk. Okay. 1 cup.
Please keep a clean kitchen area.
Yes, that's right, Farah. If you want to make any activity, please make sure the kitchen or the place that you want to do is clean. Put 1 tablespoon of sugar the most important thing is Cadbury. The Cadbury that I use is plain flavor. If you want to put any flavor that you like, also can. And then blend it to smooth so that the ice cube will not cause.
Tasha, please be aware that when you use a blender, do not place your finger inside the blender, otherwise it is unplugged.
Okay, chill Farah, I will never do that. Thank you. Okay. And then blend it. Milkshake. Spread the chocolate syrup on the glass like this. Okay, I will show you. Ta-da! Beautiful, right? And then slowly pour the rest of milkshake into the glass.
Never leave unintended soggy floor.
Forgive me for leaving an attendance soggy floor. Sorry. On the top of milkshake, place some whipping cream. Some chocolate syrup and a Cadbury as the garnish.
When not in use, please return sharp kitchen utilities in the right place.
Lastly, it's ready to serve. You guys can try to make it at home and have fun. That's all for today. Thank you. Bye.